loves, welcome back to my channel, and it is that time of year. Sephora is having their other sale, and so by popular demand, I am doing a recommendations video for you, so let's get into it. All right, I have my trusty handy dandy laptop in front of me, and we are going to talk through my recommendations for the Sephora sale. And these are products, some of them you've heard me talk about, but others you haven't, so I love that. I'm gonna put everything up on the screen too so you can see little pictures of them. And if you're Rouge, you could have started a couple of days ago, and then it subsequently goes on for these dates that I will put right down here. Okay, so the first, and the links for everything will be in the description box if you need to find them. So the first thing I'm going to say is stock up on all of your regular products. If you have, your Tatcha, your, all of your skincare, all of your things like that, stock up now because we don't need to be paying full price if we don't have to. Also too, I love gift sets. This gift set right here by Tatcha, it's called Tatcha Mini Favorite Set. I think this is a great way to introduce people to the brand. And also I've done this for years, and now maybe not this year because I'm not around my girlfriends right now because I've just moved. But I love to piecemeal them out and put them in like little tiny bags of like a couple and just hand them out as just, I was thinking of you gifts for the holidays. Also, NARS has a beautiful blush set as well. They're like mini little blush sets. And those can also go into little bags, or you can use them as stocking stuffers for your teens or whatever, one of your Hanukkah nights or whatever. They are so cute and they last a long time, easy to wear, very buildable, easy to blend, okay? Awesome. And as we talk about stocking up on our favorites, Tatcha's new Dewy Milk Moisturizer, it is very much like their one in their purple container, their little round purple container, but this is a little bit more lightweight. It is still uber dewy. It is still uber gorgeous, but it is more lightweight. It's definitely for the normal to drier skin type, and it just leaves the skin looking so glowy and stunning. So this is a good time to try that out as well. And then I really love to always recommend one product for our teens, since a lot of us have teen children at home still. The First Aid Beauty Acne Clearing Pads. I don't believe in a ton of skincare for teens in general unless they have a specific skin concern. But I think most teens can benefit from having some having some salicylic acid in there. Salicylic acid is going to be helpful for acne, skin texture, overall cleansing, overall skin evenness. And these are inexpensive. There's a lot of pads in there, and it's easy to use for teens. They just wipe it after they have cleansed their skin, wipe it all over their skin, and then they put their moisturizer or SPF or just moisturizer for bed. They're going to use those one time a day. They can also use them after working out or after sports. They just wash their face and then use that as their cleansing and treatment product. Now for us, a lot of people have asked me about the exfoliating pads. There is one from Innisfree, that's the brand, and it's their green tea, which is an antioxidant, and their vitamin C. So they're pads, and they look like this, and they are gorgeous, very inexpensive. They can be used daily if you need to. I use a brightening pad daily because it is so gentle. I would say maybe 5 days out of the week is when I use my exfoliating pads. But these are so inexpensive. They have a great ingredient list, and I think they are beautiful for daily gentle exfoliation. All right, so let's get into this product by The Ordinary. It is their caffeine eye serum. If you are dealing with any puffiness or loss of tautness, now it's not a miracle product. It's just going to help support. Caffeine helps support lymph and helps support drainage in that eye and helps kind of constrict the puffiness. So, and it's a great price point. So you can grab that. And then Tower 28's, their SOS acid spray. Now, this is such an interesting topic. The reason why I bring this up is because a lot of people and myself suffer from redness, from rosacea, from acne, even in our more mature age. This spray has been life-changing for a lot of my clients. It is a cleansing spray that you can use as many times as you want throughout the day. It helps reduce redness. It helps fight things like eczema, psoriasis. You can use it all over the body. It says for the face, but you can use it all over the body. Redness, acne. It basically calms the skin down, cleanses the skin, and delivers nutrients and ingredients to fight those such issues. If you never heard it or never tried it and you deal with those issues, check it out. You will love it. And then I do love their SOS Tower 28 again, recovery, skin barrier recovery moisturizer. It helps with redness as well. It helps to protect our skin barrier, etc., etc. It's a beautiful, very lightweight, very inexpensive moisturizer. And then I think it's how you say is Joanne is the brand, is Beauty of Joanne or Josanne. Glow replenishing rice milk lightweight hydrating toner, as well as their dewy sunscreen SPF 50. These are gorgeous. Very inexpensive, K-Beauty. Their replenishing rice milk toner is gonna be your essence. So if you are looking for a new essence and it's lightweight and hydrating, that's a great one to start with. If you're looking for a new SPF that has no white cast, it's just a really pretty dewy SPF, that is a great option as well. I also did put in this list the moisturizer I am currently using, which is by Kiehl's. It's the Ultra Facial Refillable Moisture Cream. So you keep the actual bottle and then you buy the big thing to refill it, which I love. It is a little bit pricier, but some people have been asking me what moisturizer I'm using right now. I got sent it in PR. It's gorgeous. Okay, let's pop into a few cosmetics. We're the Merit Cream Eyeshadows. I'm a sucker for cream eyeshadows. I think they're just so easy to use every single day. They're able just to brush on, have a quick eye look, and you're out the door. They're all beautiful. I love Merit. It is a very pretty, clean, no fuss brand, as well as I put their foundation in here. Their foundation is one of those that's a light to medium coverage. You can use it with a brush. That's what way I perform. I actually have a foundation Friday with it. It's the way I prefer to use it is with a brush. And it is just a beautiful coverage. It's easy to use. It's in a stick, comes in so many colors. So you could absolutely find your color. And again, I love Merit. They're a beautiful brand. And so I love to highlight them. And then this is actually new to me. This is the new Charlotte Tilbury Super Nudes Lip Cheat Contouring Duo Lip Liner. It is going to give you more of that kind of perfect nude pouty lip. I love that it's a dual pencil, so you don't have to bring two, and then you just put a balm over it or a chapstick over it. I love, that's kind of like old school. Don't you remember back in the day, they used to do that all the time, is they would put the two lip products together on each end. I love it. And then of course I put in my Makeup Forever lip glosses that I wear every single day. That's the one I'm wearing right now. They're gorgeous. Pick your favorite. You'll love them. And then this one by Wonder Beauty. It is a lip stain. Now, you'll see these all over the internet. If you need, it's not called Wonder Beauty, sorry. It's called Wonder Skin. It is the Wander Blading All Day Lip Stain. They have a lot of different colors, and it is a very long wearing lip stain. It's weird though, because it comes out in blue, and then you take that off, and then the color is underneath it. Again, you're just gonna put over a lip balm, a chapstick, and then you're good for the rest of the day. But if you need more of a lip product that stays on longer, that might be one that you like to try. It also has a good price point as well. So put your guys' favorites in the comment section below. That's what I got for you right now. Oh, wait, I did forget this one. Wait, how could I forget? Okay, this is the Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette. If you're looking for a great neutral eyeshadow palette, all mattes, so you can add a shimmer on top of it if you want to, but it's called Patrick Ta Major Dimension Essential Artistry Edit eyeshadow palette. I bought his one that he came out with first, and I still use it to this day. You're gonna be using it for years to come. It's a very good quality palette, and has great shades. They're all neutral, they're everyday wearing shades. So if you're looking for a new palette like that, that's a great one to look for. All right, so that's all I got for you today. Put in the comments section products that you are excited about for others to find. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.